Fala galera, beleza?
Hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Suprent hair clipper with the model number HC295S. This is my last purchase from AliExpress. It came yesterday, and it might also be my last unboxing video since AliExpress doesn't ship to my address. Well, who knows what tomorrow might bring. So sit tight, man. All right. Okay, looks like this. Somehow I really like the box. Okay. And the specs. Okay, let's read the specs. The specs got 2000 milliamp battery, 3 hours charging time, and 4 hours operating time. Okay. So we got here a comb, a really good one. The manual. And we got many guards. It's not a good one. So I don't really know how many inside. It's not a strong one. Charging cable. And here we got a little brush. And oil. So this is the hair clipper. And got something here. It's not a clicky lever. Just like, I guess, Andes or something like that. I had something similar before, and it was from Kemi. And a taper blade. So, the range. And this is not the original cutter blade. This is the original cutter blade, which I changed. And with this cutter blade, I got 5000 RPM. I mean, with this one, with the stock cutter blade, 5000 RPM. And with this one, 5800 to 6000 RPM. Charging port, LCD display. So that's it for the unboxing video. And in case I never make any unboxing video anymore, so adios.